Ever feel like social media is running you instead of the other way around? Let's flip the script. Here's how you start working with social media to build power, presence, and peace of mind. Step 1. Know why you're online. Don't chase clout, chase clarity. Ask yourself, am I here to educate, inspire, connect, or convert? Your purpose is your compass. Real-life example. My friend Carla started posting 1-minute wellness tips. She wasn't trying to go viral. She was trying to help her sister who struggled with anxiety. 6 months later, 10,000 followers thanked her for it. Step 2. Pick your people, not platforms. Don't jump on every platform. Choose the one your tribe is already on, then go deep, not wide. Real-life example. Marcus teaches financial literacy. He focused only on YouTube and Reddit. No TikTok dances, no extra fluff, just impact, and he tripled his course sales. Step 3. Schedule your sanity. You don't need to be online 24/7. Schedule content, batch record, and set digital boundaries. Hustle does not equal burnout. Real-life example. Janelle creates 3 videos every Sunday morning, then auto-posts them throughout the week. Her followers get consistency. She gets her time back. Step 4. Share value, not just vibes. Educational content that solves problems builds trust. Give away the good stuff, tips, how-tos, mind shifts. Be the solution, not just the aesthetic. Real-life example. Daniel's Reels started going viral when he stopped posting his gym selfies and started sharing his morning productivity hack, the 5-minute rule. Step 5. Engage like a human, not a brand. Respond to comments, ask questions, use names, be real. Social media rewards connection, not perfection. Real-life example. Every time Chloe replies with a voice note or custom comment, people stay, and they share. One reply got her a podcast invite. Final step: review, reflect, repeat. At the end of each month, ask what worked, what didn't, what felt good. That's your blueprint. Your numbers will follow your flow. You don't need to go viral to go valuable. Work with social media like it's a mirror, not a mask. You'll grow the right way, authentically, purposefully, and with power.